am Somdutta. I am an IT professional. I have been suffering from crucial lower back pain since January 2024, and right now in June 2024, I am talking to you from Indian Spinal Injury Centre, where I got diagnosed with a major L4, L5 disc enlargement, and it was so bad that it got migrated to my L5 S1 disc. I came to the center for getting my enlarged disc cut, and the staff, the surgeon, the sisters, the nurses, they explained me the process from end to end. They told me about the entire process, what fragment of my disc is going to be cut out, which part of the tube, drainage tube, when it is going to get is going to be taken out of my body. So they explained the entire process, and the whole staff is very, very helpful. They will keep checking on you to measure your pain levels. I would definitely recommend this center to make sure to get any spinal related injuries to get looked up and get cured.